Welcome back to the Dwanco Channel, your go-to source for motivation, inspiration, and self-development. If you're struggling to achieve your goals and want to understand the reasons why, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to explore 10 big reasons why you can't achieve your goal. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the like button if you find this video helpful, leave a comment below to share your thoughts, and subscribe to the Dwanco channel for more motivational content. Your support helps us create more videos to inspire and empower you. Let's get started. Setting goals is the first step towards turning the invisible into the visible. However, many people struggle to achieve their goals despite having the best intentions. Understanding the common obstacles can help you overcome them and succeed. Here are 10 big reasons why you might be failing to achieve your goals. 1. Lack of clarity. Problem. When your goals are vague or undefined, it's hard to make progress because you don't know exactly what you're aiming for. Solution. Set clear, specific, and measurable goals. Instead of saying, "I want to be fit," say, "I want to lose 10 pounds in the next 3 months by exercising 4 times a week and eating a balanced diet." 2. No action plan. Problem. Having a goal without a plan is like trying to build a house without a blueprint. Without a clear plan, you're likely to get lost or overwhelmed. Solution. Break down your goal into actionable steps. Create a detailed plan outlining what you need to do daily, weekly, and monthly to reach your goal. 3. Procrastination. Problem. Procrastination is the enemy of progress. Delaying tasks and decisions can lead to missed opportunities and failure to meet deadlines. Solution. Use techniques like the Pomodoro technique to manage your time better. Break your tasks into smaller, manageable chunks and commit to starting immediately. 4. Fear of failure. Problem. Fear of failure can paralyze you, preventing you from taking the necessary risks and actions to achieve your goals. Solution. Reframe your mindset to see failure as a learning opportunity rather than a setback. Every failure brings you one step closer to success by teaching you valuable lessons. 5. Lack of motivation. Problem. Without a strong why behind your goal, it's easy to lose motivation and give up when things get tough. Solution. Identify your core motivations and remind yourself of them regularly. Create a vision board or write down your reasons for wanting to achieve your goal and revisit them frequently. 6. Negative mindset. Problem. A negative mindset can sabotage your efforts before you even start. Believing you're not capable or worthy of achieving your goals can be a self-fulfilling prophecy. Solution. Practice positive self-talk and surround yourself with supportive and encouraging people. Focus on your strengths and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. 7. Poor time management. Problem. Mismanaging your time can lead to stress, missed deadlines, and incomplete tasks, making it harder to achieve your goals. Solution. Prioritize your tasks and create a schedule. Use tools like calendars, to-do lists, and time-tracking apps to manage your time effectively. Learn to say no to distractions and non-essential activities. 8. Lack of accountability. Problem. Without someone to hold you accountable, it's easy to slack off and lose focus on your goals. Solution. Find an accountability partner, join a support group, or hire a coach. Regular check-ins and progress reports can help keep you on track and motivated. 9. Unrealistic goals. Problem. Setting goals that are too ambitious or unrealistic can lead to frustration and discouragement when you can't achieve them. Solution. Set SMART goals, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Start with smaller, attainable goals and gradually build up to more challenging ones. 10. Lack of persistence. Problem. Giving up too easily when faced with obstacles or setbacks can prevent you from achieving your goals. Solution. Cultivate resilience and perseverance. Understand that setbacks are a natural part of the journey and stay committed to your goal despite the challenges. Reflect on your progress and adjust your plan as needed. Achieving your goals requires clarity, planning, motivation, and persistence. By identifying and addressing these common obstacles, you can increase your chances of success and turn your dreams into reality. Remember, the journey towards your goal is as important as the destination. Stay focused, stay positive, and keep moving forward.